Ever sneeze when staring at the sun? It's not random. Your brain's got a weird trick. You glance at the sun and, achoo! A sneeze pops out. This is the photic sneeze reflex, and it's wired into some people's brains. Bright light, like sunlight, can overstimulate your optic nerve, which sits close to the nerve that triggers sneezes. The signals get crossed, sparking a sneeze. Imagine this. You step outside on a sunny day. The light hits your eyes, your brain misfires, and out comes a sneeze. It's like a neural glitch. Why does this happen? About 1 in 4 people have this reflex, likely from a genetic quirk. It might have helped early humans clear dust from their noses in bright caves. Fun fact, it's not just sunlight. Camera flashes or bright lamps can trigger it too. It's harmless, but super quirky. Scientists study this to understand brain wiring, showing how senses can mix up. So, if you're a sun sneezer, you're part of a quirky brain club. Sneeze at the sun? Comment below, like this video, and share with your quirky pals.